Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 218D M Sport Coupe in Glacier Silver. So alongside that superb exterior colour, the vehicle also benefits from a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. And included in that we've had the 18-inch M Sport alloys professionally refurbished in gloss black. The vehicle itself is a 2016 16 plate. We've also got the very nice Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle we've added the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and you can see there that this is a very clean and tidy example, and that Glacier Silver really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here. The interior is one of my personal favourites within the 2 Series and 1 Series range. It has the half Alcantara and half cloth M highlight seats, as you can see there, and that's all in great condition. Both passengers and drivers' seats come with the electric lumbar adjustment. It's a 6-speed manual, and we will of course touch upon more of the interior details shortly. In the rear you have an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with that central storage tray. Being an M Sport, we do of course have a darkened headliner, as you can see there, again all in great condition. Moving around towards the rear of the vehicle, again we can show you those lovely darkened M Sport rear wheels. Moving towards the back, you can see we've gone for and opted to have the rear spoiler in satin along with the satin rear diffuser. If you've not yet seen the boot capacity of a 2 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a very large area and also comes with split folding seats to further enhance that room. Moving on to the driver's side of the car, again being able to see that not only is it a clean and tidy example, but of course the Glacier Silver working very nicely, not only with those very standout wheels, but of course all of the other additions. Inside the vehicle we've got the BMW business navigation and media screen, which we will of course run through what we have on there, starting with the navigation, which is a really user-friendly system and a very clever one. We've also got the Bluetooth telephone and audio on this vehicle, along with DAB and a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including USB. We've already spoken about the Bluetooth, and it also has AUX inputs as well. I did of course mention it's a 6-speed manual. The car itself, once we start it up, we can show you the mileage. It's covered just over 37,000 miles. Does come with the speed limiter option on this lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel, voice and volume controls as well. And going through and taking a look at the vehicle service history, we're going to be carrying out an in-house service on the car, as it is coming up to be due a service within our service parameters, which are of course 3,000 miles or 3,000 miles and below. And again, a really nice option in terms of just having the pure brushed aluminium silver trims in this car. Service history wise, it's got 2 recorded services at BMW, as you can see there, and as I've just mentioned, we'll be carrying out the next service in-house. So once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch, you'll find all of the contact information and website links in the description down below. Most of all though guys, we'll really look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and bye bye.